Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video. Well, in today's video we have a very beautiful eyeshadow tutorial, and we're going to be using the Blossom makeup eyeshadow palette. Like, look at this beautiful palette of different amazing shades for all moods and seasons. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with the Vintage eyeshadow base. This would help to serve as a base for the eyeshadow, and it will help the colors pop even more. We're going for a very subtle look, sultry, because we want the lips to do the talking. So for these, you want to just make sure you're blending only on the lid. Okay, make sure to just blend out only on the lid. Then whatever is left, you can now take it just slightly above the crease line. Okay, make sure to just blend it on the lid. Okay, now that is settled, I want you beautiful people to help me. Comment down below video ideas. What are your makeup questions? Comment down below because I do want to know. Okay, and also make sure to smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, now after that is done and I've blended it out, I'm going into this nude shade for transition. Okay, I'm using this fluffy brush. This is a Zoeva brush, and I'm just going to sweep that, and as you can see, it's more like her skin tone. So that is the shade I'm going for. It's looking like her skin. I'm going to use that as my first transition. Next, I'm going in with this shade, and I'm just going to put that in the crease. Yes, you see how I lifted the skin up so that you can get into the crease line very well. And as you can see, this eyeshadow is pigmented, and this is a darker color or a darker shade from the first one I used. So this is how you want to build your eyeshadow, from light to dark. Make sure to blend and make sure to blend. Okay, next I'm going back in with that first brush I used to make sure everything is seamlessly blended, and I'm going into this dark brown. The idea of this look, if I wanted to do like a halo eyeshadow look, but you would see what we did with the eyes. Okay, I wanted to go for a halo eye type of look, but midway I had to just change my mind and do a normal cut crease shimmer, and you will see the shimmer in action. Like, wait for it. So I'm just putting this at the outer corner and into the crease, and I'm going to make sure I blend that in. So you can see you're transitioning from light to dark shades. So now this is the part I was talking about. So I went in to apply the base. I went back in to apply the base. I wanted to go for halo eye, so I just changed my mind. Maybe I was not feeling the halo effect. So I'm going in with this nude shade to set that base first. I'm going to just tap the. It's just a nude shade. So next I would go into the shimmer. I did mix the shimmer a little bit. Check out my shorts video to see how to mix shimmers. I went in with this shade and I just applied that. Then I went in with a gold tone shimmer, and look at the pigment of this eyeshadow. My goodness, this is beautiful. Look at that pigment, and I have already applied like a nude shade underneath it, so this is actually good. So now I'm going to go in with a dark brown, just to blend the outer V and blend it into the shimmer. A bride can wear this eyeshadow look for sure. It is given. Okay, next I went in with a Kiss Beauty black gel liner. I like using gel liner now because liquid liners I get shaky hands, but with gel liner I have great control over it. So if you have shaky hands, please go for a gel liner, and with your brush you can be able to handle it. By the way, I'm using the MSQ brush set. Okay, please do follow me on Instagram at _beautyhq, and don't forget to subscribe. Look at what the lining does to the eye. It has defined the eye. Next, I'm going to do the other eye, and this is basically the eyeshadow tutorial. I do hope you enjoy it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next video, stay beautiful. Oh, okay, I did go in with a mascara. Okay, I did go in a mascara and by Blossom Makeup, and I coated the lashes. So until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful. Again, stay beautiful. Okay, do follow on Instagram at _beautyhq. Okay, stay beautiful, babes. I love you. Bye.